Hi, my name is Alifia, pro educator with K18 and salon professional behind the chair. As a professional stylist, I know how important a clean, healthy canvas is. And really the success to every service is healthy hair. A time where K18 allowed me to do something I would normally never do on a client is when I had a client who had previous relaxer on her hair and she wanted her hair to be blonde. Now, those are two things that don't really play well together because they're two of the most damaging things you could ever do to hair. And before, it would have been a hard no. But because of K18, I was able to give her her desired end result. So allowing me to kind of eliminate damage from the equation, if you will, I can move forward without worrying about my creativity and, of course, the health of their hair. The biggest thing I notice when clients use K18 at home is they have really resilient hair. So when they show back up for their services, their hair is ready to go. I don't have to backtrack or repair damage just to get started. I'm starting with an amazing, healthy canvas. And ultimately, it allows them to really be my partner when it comes to their hair health. Because damage is ongoing, this allows them to still maintain the integrity of their hair and not compromise the work that we've done. Every successful service is successful because of healthy hair. So if you can get there first, then it's going to make everything else make more sense for you.